Hello, my dear friends. It's me, your baby Hashira. For Nursing and Allied Health Science classes, welcome to our channel. Together we learn, grow, and inspire. We will start this class with one simple question, that is, how many bones are there in an adult human body? I can hear your answer that an adult human body has 206 bones. Okay, then, how many bones are there in babies from newborn to adult? Can you answer? Good. At birth, newborn baby has about 270 bones. Then how 206 bones? Yes, with the growth, multiple fusion events occur. Yes, bone growth and ossification continue throughout the childhood and adolescence. By late adolescence, the adult skeleton has 206 bones. And finally, a stable adult skeleton has 206 bones. Okay, now let us proceed to the main topic of this session, that is female bony pelvis. The term bony pelvis is used because it is composed of bones. The reason why midwives need knowledge of the pelvis, we'll see one by one. Understanding childbirth mechanism, which is called mechanism of labor. Recognizing pelvic types. Understanding the types of pelvis is important because each pelvic shape has direct impact on labor progresses. Assessment of fetal position. Fetal position means the orientation of the baby which is inside the uterus. This also has a direct impact on labor progresses. Identifying obstetric complications, like which means recognizing the problems that can occur during pregnancy, labor, to protect the mother's health and the baby's life. Guiding safe delivery for providing appropriate care, support, and interventions. And finally, maternal and newborn safety. Here, ensuring the health and the well being of both mother and the baby during pregnancy, childbirth, and the postpartum period. Let us move on to the introduction of female bony pelvis. Yes, the pelvis or pelvic girdle is the lower part of the torso. Yes, you know very well about torso. Torso consists of the central part of the body, excluding the head, neck, and limbs. It is made up of thorax, abdomen, and pelvis. Thorax, chest contains the heart and lungs. Abdomen contains organs like the stomach, liver, intestine, and kidneys. Pelvis contains parts of the intestine, bladder, and reproductive organs. The pelvis is the bony ring formed by the hip bones, sacrum, and coccyx. We'll discuss little later. It supports the trunk, protects the pelvic organs, and provides the birth canal, which means it forms the birth canal. In obstetrics, the female pelvis is prime importance because its shape and dimensions determine the mechanism of labor and delivery. This is about the simple introduction of female bony pelvis. Let us move on to the next content, that is bones of pelvis. Four bones forming the pelvis. First we will learn by words, then we will move on with picture. Two hip innominate bones are called two hip bones or called os coxae. So, two hip bones, each formed by the fusion of ilium, ischium, and pubis. Next, one sacrum, wedge-shaped bone formed by fusion of five sacral vertebrae, and one coccyx, small triangular bone at the end of the sacrum. Give a glance to this picture. Ilium, hip bones, right and left side hip bones, sacrum and coccyx. Until puberty, each hip bone consists of three separate bones. Give a glance to this picture. Until puberty, each hip bone, which means innominate bone, consists of three separate bones yet to be fused: ilium, ischium, and pubis, which are connected by the triradiate cartilage. This is triradiate cartilage. Let us have little knowledge on triradiate cartilage. The triradiate cartilage is a Y-shaped growth plate located in the pelvis, specifically at the junction where the ilium, ischium and pubis bones meet. Already we discussed that bone numbers from about 270 to 206. Yes, during the development of hip, these three elements, uh, which are ilium, ischium and pubis, remain singular, fusing together during adolescence to become one single unit during early maturity to become os coxa, a hip bone or innominate bone. Innominate bones. Each innominate bone is composed of three parts. Already we discussed little: ilium, ischium and pubis. The golden color part ilium, purple color part ischium and the green color part pubis. These bones got fused and became the hip bone or innominate bone or os coxae. In next class we will discuss parts of ilium, ischium and pubis and its important features, sacrum, coccyx and its obstetrical significance, pelvic joints, ligaments, plans, diameter, landmarks and inclination. First, don't hesitate to learn. If you already know this content, let us serve as a revision session. And if you felt this class is useful and relevant, kindly share this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. We will meet you soon.